Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
So hi guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Desert Safari at saka ang ganda ng weather kasi malamig and it's a perfect time to be in this place and I just want to show you my outfit guys. Ang hirap.
Ay, nagaday ako mag-play, day.
This is our driver today.
Pwede ko na, day.
Galing pa itong sa
Beshi.
barrio.
Sige day.
So from here it will take 1 hour 10 minutes.
From
or
here?
20 minutes.
We're
Yeah.
going direct like.
Direct to the desert.
Okay.
So if you want to play your music, you can click the Bluetooth.
Any music request or okay na to sa kanya? Ang tabako. We can connect the Bluetooth here. Yeah.
Open mo playlist ko.
Ay. Saan ka pupunta?
Sa ano? Yan lang sa tabi.
Ano pangalan sa?
Kuya, what is the name of the Bluetooth?
My name.
My name. Akil.
Yeah.
Akil. Our tour guide is Mr. Akil. Hi. Oh, day vlog mo day siya, day.
How are you, mister?
I'm good, thank you. How are you? Good?
Good. So yun guys, samahan nyo kami ngayon kasi pupunta kami ng Desert Safari. Bali ilang beses ko na rin palang naranasan mag Desert Safari kasi ilang taon na rin naman ako dito sa Dubai. So ilang beses na rin ako namunta doon. Charis lang. Ito kasi merong yung mga pamangkin kasi ni Alsa nandito. So ipapasyal namin sila sa Desert Safari. So kailangan namin silang samahan. So bali nagbook na pala kami dyan in advance. At tapos yung nakuha naming package is yung VIP. Yung bagang susunduin ka sundo at saka drop. Ano daw? Pick up and drop ganun. Bali, nagbayad kami ng nasa 80 dirhams per person. Tapos yung biyahe is around 1.5 hour papunta dun sa campsite. Maganda naman yung panahon kasi kahit maaraw, malamig yung hangin kaya ox lang. Pero syempre kailangan mo pa rin mag-sunblock kasi iba rin talaga yung sinag ng araw dito sa Dubai. Tapos yan, after 1.5 hour nakarating na kami sa campsite. So malapit na kami sa campsite na pag-istapan namin.
This is new camp po, yeah?
Yeah.
Because usually the other one with a lot of...
The one they closed because of the busy season. They closed the road and everything there.
Okay.
Everybody's doing something.
Gano'n nagpayong na yun. Hindi ba yung normal dito?
Hindi.
Siya nangyari sa horse nila na yun.
Malnourished.
How much is this one?
This is 50 dirham.
50?
Grabe naman.
We have a toilet here, the camp also.
Ala, nagwawala. Hello, Sultan.
Hi, Sultan. Lovely
Falcon
Sultan.
25.
Ay, oh. Mga ano sila rin, sealed.
Laki ng tiyan nito.
Busog siya. Para siyang si Butter na, Day. Ah, okay.
Look here. See. Hello.
Cute.
See. Here. One more.
Nice. Mashallah.
Mashallah. Beautiful. Come.
Picture.
Tara, Gianna! Tara, tayo.
This two?
Yes.
Okay, come. See. Come this side, other side.
Ha?
Other side.
Kuya, it's fine, ha?
Yeah, yes. fine,
Maybe
fine.
this one will go crazy.
No problem. Give me 1 minute mobile. Yes. No problem. Give me.
Kuya, ha?
You sit in back, huh?
In the back?
You sit in back and they sit in first.
I will sit now?
Yes.
Kuya, I'm scared.
Go up.
Okay.
Sit and
Aray.
Na umawa ka ng ayos. Okay lang ba?
Ah! What the fuck?
Wala, nakakatakot.
My God. So we're just in the camel now. Bye!
Kawawa naman sila, ta. Nilalangaw
Kaya
sila.
nga.
Oh.
Oh my
Naawa
gosh.
ako.
Guys, hello. We're in the...
What? Is he okay?
Yes.
Have you eaten?
Ah! Kuya!
What?
Baka
Nangyari?
malaglag ako dito.
Kawawa naman to. Naawa ko sa kanya. Ba't pala nag-sunscreen ako?
Kaya nga eh.
Magkano kaya bayad sa mga ganito? Pero daw, libre daw to, di ba? O basta ka.
Kuya, can you make video with my phone there?
What's the name of camel, kuya?
Kamel Sultan.
Bogart. Okay, this is Bogart.
Yes.
Maganda kamu.
Thank you.
No, this one maganda. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Is it beautiful, huh?
Hindi ko maintindihan. Ano daw? Sino daw? Baka ikaw tayo maganda.
Maganda daw yung camel.
Babalik na.
आराम ना भाई
Ano ba ang kaya sila
So,
सारे बस स्टैंड में ऊपर चढ़े
What's the gender of the camel, kuya? Is it female or a male?
मेल रुक जा
hala! Kuya!
Balik na daw. Tawa ako sa kanila. Ba't kaya ito nila?
Hi!
Nilalangaw talaga yan.
Nilalangaw talaga sila.
Kawawa sila eh.
Aray!
Kasi yung mineral.
Ako po kayo umawak. Okay lang po ba? You trust me?
Yes.
बस सबर go to camel yes look at that one
Ay, nice.
huh
Nice.
Nice. It's beautiful.
So guys, we're heading back.
where are you living
Well, first
Dubai
sorry
or-
about the camel
Camel.
because
Nilalangaw siya.
Sorry.
Kawawa
Kuya,
siya.
what time this one will eat?
hey eat grass everything
Eating grass?
Mm.
Drinking also?
drinking also no whiskey only water
Medyo nakakaano to ah. Kawawa naman sila. Hindi naman ata sila no kinakawawan.
At saka ano,
Dubai
they were born to be, ganito
Dubai?
talaga.
Oh no, we're from?
Visit.
Yes, visit.
look at one more that one
Look at what more
say
that.
hi
Hmm.
Say hi.
Hi!
the side you look
Welcome to Dubai.
Dubai huh
Where is the camel?
Ang bilis nga eh.
Iba yung binibad ko. Hello, man.
Hold tight, ano?
Yes, yes.
Oh my God.
Oh no! I don't know where to ano.
Yes, come one close family photo. One family group photo.
Okay. Grabe, ka-stress to ah.
So, we just, kababa lang namin.
May picture daw dahil.
Thank you, Hamdan.
Thank you, sir.
Next.
Next come.
MJ.
खाली वाला कार है
Okay, see here.
हेलो
Yung flow ba? Yung flow.
Kasama ba yung langaw sa to?
See here इन परवाह है काहे मैं तो बिल्कुल नाल होया तो
Camel.
Wait, against the light eh. Dito dapat.
Kapag-
Yeesh!
3 years old.
3 years old?
Okay, 40.
You know.
Already discount. Wallahi already discount. 3.
Baka tadyakan ako ng camel.
Yes.
Sige na, okay na yun. Okay, so, water break muna kami.
Fresh.
Fresh na water.
I like my face here, kaso nga lang may ano siya.
May singaw. Tapos 50 dirham yung ano nila, bandana. Ano yun? Kaloka naman sila. For the overpricing naman sila.
Overpriced naman doon.
Exactly.
20 man lang.
Kaya alam mo, kaya nagdala na talaga ako ng ganito talaga para wala nang bili-bili. So I wanna do an outfit check pala. Ay, doon ako mag-outfit check. So, we're heading back to the car kasi magano kami, joyride. So, magano kami, dessert riding. So, this is the car that we're using right now. So, this is the car. This is the time that you will die. This is the time that you will regret.
We're waiting one more car. It's coming, then we'll go together.
Okay.
Dahil ka na bahala sa amin.
Ganyan ko na lang.
Ako talaga gitna ka doon. Akong pambat.
dites-moi d'où il vient, enfin je saurai où je vais. Maman dit que lorsqu'on cherche bien, on finit toujours par trouver. Elle dit qu'il n'est jamais très loin, qu'il part très souvent travailler. Maman dit travailler c'est bien, bien mieux qu'être mal accompagné. Pas vrai? Où est ton papa? Dis-moi où est ton papa? Sans même devoir lui parler.
Ang hirap naman nito yung chan ko.
Yeah, hold tight, huh?
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Okay, go.
Bitawan mo.
Bongga Beshi!
Amazing na to sa ex.
Ano siya, Doy? Si Mr. Akil.
Sundan mo kaya parang
Parang na naiihi ako pag ano pa.
Jai. Fuck. Miss Grand Philippines. Miss Philippines is 26. 25, 42. 70 pala. So we're already here in town. Di pala na play. So ito po yung camp nila dito. So we're going to sit down here and later on there were meron
Ay, ano meron sa kabila, Doy?
meron mag-aano
VIP.
diyan.
Hindi, mas
Meron
maganda pa rin yung sa baba tayo.
meron magsasayaw diyan na ano. May magsasayaw diyan na ano.
Puno yan,
eksena.
kuya!
So
Kuya,
we're going
where?
to sit here.
In the front.
Okay. All right.
Wow.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. Let me explain you.
Okay.
See, in the bar, alcohol is extra charge.
Oh my god.
Water, soft drink is free.
Okay.
And there is a, you see the cabin, small cabin?
Chai?
There's a tea. No,
Tea chai?
tea. And there's a lady one sitting there. There's a henna.
Ah.
Okay.
Pahena ka na. Pahena ka na.
No, later.
Are you not allowed?
Menu. So in the middle have a show.
Uh-huh.
6:25 the camp will be start.
So, explain
After
siya
the
ngayon.
first show, they're gonna start the dinner there inside. You see the
There
wall?
will be.
Yeah.
Wala malayo
There,
yung ano
after
natin.
We cannot go there instead, on the other side.
No, there's other people sitting.
Okay.
Ang layo ng
Then
lalakarin
after
natin.
the dinner, they're gonna start two shows there. In the middle.
Okay.
The last show will be the fire show. And the toilet in the corner there.
Okay.
And if you want to sit in the inside, it's a VIP. It will be extra charge.
Really? How much they're charging?
50 dirham
Per person?
each.
My
So
god.
the buffet will be there.
They can take everything.
They can eat and as much oil and jam they want.
Ah. Huwag. Ito na.
Ano mo? Pag-VIP tayo.
Ito na.
Huwag na dahil. Okay, we will think.
Think.
We'll think about it.
Kasi hindi rin naman tayo kakain ng dami.
Sa bagay. Okay,
Tsaka
kuya.
pwede naman
Thank you.
bumalik
Thank
yan
you,
dyan.
Akil. See you.
Sayang
If
50.
you want anything, I'm in the car.
Iukay-ukay.
Okay.
Sayang 50. Iukay-ukay nyo na lang.
No, I'm going to pump tires.
Ah, because you reduce the air.
Okay. Done. Thank you, bro.
So yun guys, that's the instruction of our tour.
Tour guys.
So, yun. Hindi ko na ulitin. Narinig nyo naman.
Anay natin sa pagkain.
Ano nga, ang layo natin sa food.
May extra 50 doodles.
Sayang, Diyos ko, sayang naman.
Sa bagay, ganoon naman ang pagkain day. Simple lang pero unlimited tayo.
Oo, yun nga lang. Kasi hindi ka pipila later. Yung mahirap kasi niyan, pag marami na kasi dito, dapat mamaya, hindi pa nag-open yung buffet, nakapila na tayo. Like last time.
Oo.
Oo.
Ginawa. Don't worry, day, meron naman tayong cookies. Parang gusto ko ako.
Sabi ko sana palaspas.
Oo, pwede ganun. Parang ganun sa Pilipinas.
Hi guys, where are we? Where are we? Where are we from?
Desert Safari.
There's safari in
Dubai.
The first show of the evening begins, the Toyota Show. Meet Mr. T-Bone.
Thank you. Please watch and subscribe with our besties JM.
Come.
Ay, drop.
Siya rin pala. Siya na nga nag-ano kay Falcon siya ba?
Bangkay na.
Lamig naman.
So this is what we get. French fries. Pilapil niya, mamaya hilo ka.
You cover everything.
Okay, car.
Shukran.
Happy?
Abi.
Okay, car. Come on, no.
Ay, ang taba ko dyan, Day.
Fire breathing. Land of America.
Guys!